Hi everybody, welcome to this Java tutorial. Today we're going to look at selection in Java. We're going to be looking at if-else statements, and we'll also have a quick look at how to use the useful scanner class to get data from the keyboard. So let's get started. I'm going to make a new Java project. I'm going to call it the number project. And in the number project, I'm going to create a driver class. I'm going to call it main. And this is going to be my main, where my main function is found. Okay, and I'm going to call a function in my main function called compare numbers. And let's design this compare numbers function. Okay, so what this function is going to do, it's going to use the scanner class to get data from the keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to use it, this is the data type, it's a scanner. The variable name, I'm going to call it keyboard in. And this is a new scanner from the keyboard, which is what system.in means, data from the keyboard. Now, in order to use the scanner, we need to import the library. So there it is. Okay. Now I'm going to ask the user, I'll tell you what, I need to set up two variables. I'm going to say x and y. Okay, and I'm going to ask the user to enter the first number. And, whoops, once we've done that, we can then get that number into the x variable. I'm going to use the scanner variable here, and it has a useful function called nextInt. So this will allow me to get an integer from the keyboard and assign it to my variable, which is going to process the number. And we'll do the same thing for y. Now let's see if we can determine which number is bigger. We're going to display the biggest number. Okay? So if x is greater than y, system.out.print x is greater than y. X, is greater than y. Okay, so this is a condition here. If x is greater than y, we open up some curly brackets, and it finishes there. This is my if statement. Else, we'll say system.out.print y is greater than x. Now if we run this program, it's going to ask me here to enter x, then it's going to ask me to enter y, and it tells me the result. Now let's run it again to fully test this. I'm going to enter the same number. Whoa! That's not true. Okay, now let's think about what happened there. X is 23, y is 23. If 23 is greater than 23, that's not true, so we jump to the else, and this is displayed. Actually, that's not true. So let's just redesign our logic here. If x is greater than y, system.out.print, and then x is greater than else we have another condition. If, what is the condition? If y is greater than x. We will print out y is greater than x. And then there's the final condition. There's just one more left, so we just do else. They're the same, right? Y is the same as x. Okay? So here we've got a chain of if-else statements which can handle the different conditions in this logical puzzle. Okay? So now if we run the program and we enter 23 and 23, we'll get the correct solution.